Start with your network, get your first users to spread the word and build in public. That's the advice everyone gives you. And it works if you already have a network, if you already have users, or if you have like 100,000 followers. But what if you're starting from zero? I'm going to show you 5 ways to get your first 100 SaaS users. They are ranked and number 5 is the most powerful. It's the only advantage left that AI can't copy. But we need to start with number 1 because this one is actually something you can do today. So let's go. Your first customers aren't strangers. They are people who are already frustrated with your competitor. They just don't know that you exist yet. Think about it. Right now, someone is leaving a 1-star review on the App Store. Someone is ranting on Trustpilot, and right now someone is on Reddit asking what is a good alternative to your competitor's tool. These people already know they have a problem. You don't need to convince them of anything. You just need to show up. Here is where to find them. Trustpilot, Apple Store, Play Store. Filter by 1 or 2-star reviews. Read what people complain about. This is gold. They're literally telling you what they hate about the product they're currently paying for. And if you are B2B, check out G2 and Capterra. It's actually just the same thing. So for example, go on X and search competitor sucks or competitor alternative, and you will find people actively looking for something better. Or go on Reddit and search your competitor's name plus frustrated or alternative or leaving, because fresh complaints are warm leads. Now here is exactly what to say. So for example, hey Mike, I saw your review about Apollo. I built something that fixes your outreach problem. Want to try it out for free? That's it. No pitch, no pressure, just a solution to a problem they already told the internet about. Now, tactic 1 finds people who know they have a problem. But tactic number 2, it finds people who have already decided to spend money on solving it. This one is really clever. Most people look at job boards to find a job. I personally look at job boards to find customers. So here's how it works. When a company posts about a job, they're telling you 3 things. 1, they have a problem. 2, they've decided to solve it. And 3, they have a budget. If someone is hiring a data entry specialist for $50,000 a year and your tool does the same thing for $50 a month, that's not a cold pitch. That's a 99% cost saving. Go to LinkedIn Jobs, Indeed, company career pages. Search for job titles that describe the problem you solve. For example, if you do email automation, search for outreach specialist or email marketing coordinator. So if you do something like customer support automation, search for something like support coordinator. Whatever your tool replaces, someone is hiring for it right now. Hiring signals are one of the most powerful intent signals in B2B sales. Tools like Clay, LoanScale, or Ample Market all track job postings specifically because they indicate a company is ready to invest. But here is the key. Don't contact HR. Don't contact the job applicant. Contact the decision maker, the CEO, the VP, the head of whatever department. So write something like, hey Sarah, saw you're hiring a cold email specialist. Before you commit to $50K a year, my tool Daydo automates the exact same workflow for $99 per month. One of our users canceled their hiring process after testing it. Want me to show you how it works? Takes 10 minutes only. So tactic 1 and 2 are both outbound. You are finding people and reaching out. But what if customers came to you? What if they found you, gave you their email and asked to hear more without you sending a single DM? That's tactic number 3. Actually, the free tool Trojan horse. HubSpot has a free website grader. MailChimp has a free subject line tester, and Canva has a free logo maker. Why would billion-dollar companies give stuff away for free? Because free tools are the best lead magnets that exist. Someone uses your free tool, gets value, trusts you, and then when they need the full solution, they already know who to buy it from. So one founder I follow, Mark Liu, built his entire business this way. His rule is simple. One feature, super simple and completely free. The tool doesn't need to be complex. It needs to solve one specific pain point your target audience has. So if you sell automation, build a free automation ROI calculator. If you sell AI tools, build a free AI prompt tester. Get value and think, wait, what else do these guys have? So here is the conversion path. Free tool, email capture, nurture sequence, and paid product. And here is why this works so well. So cold traffic is people who never heard of you, and that converts at 0.5 to 2%. But warm traffic, people who've already experienced your value, 5 to 20%. That's 10 times higher. A free tool turns cold strangers into warm leads, and by the time they see your paid product, they already trust you. Now, tactic 1, 2, and 3 all get your customers one by one. 1 DM, 1 outreach, and 1 tool user. But what if you could get 20, 50, or even 100 users from a single conversation? That's not a fantasy. That's tactic number 4, and it completely changed how I think about customer acquisition. So what's harder? Finding 100 individual users or finding one agency that has 100 clients? The answer should be obvious, but almost nobody does this. So here's the thing about agencies, marketing agencies, automation agencies, and dev shops. They're always looking for ways to make more money from their existing clients. If you can offer them a product they can resell, white label, or bundle into their services, you just turn their client base into your user base. And this isn't charity. Most SaaS partner programs offer agencies 20 to 40% commission on every sale. Some white label programs let agencies set their own pricing entirely. That's not asking for a favor, that's offering them a business model. But you cannot pitch like this, just, hey, partner with me. Agencies want 3 things. Number 1 is new revenue, a commission, a markup, or something they earn per client. Number 2, stickiness, something that makes their clients harder to leave. And number 3 is low support burden. They don't want to become your help desk. So if you can offer all 3, you're not asking for a favor, you're offering them money. And honestly, if you only take one thing from this video, make it this. So tactics 1 through 4 work, but they all have one thing in common. You do them once, you get the result, and then you start again. And tactic 5 is different. It's an asset that compounds and one that AI will never replicate. So right now, AI can write your emails, build your landing pages, create entire apps from one prompt. Everyone has access to the same tools. Everyone can ship the same quality of work, and everyone becomes replaceable, except for one thing. Your face, your voice, your story, and your opinions. That is your personal brand, and it's the only advantage AI can't copy. Look at the numbers. Elon Musk has 200 million followers. Tesla, on the other hand, only has 25 million. His personal brand is 8 times bigger than his company. The same with Mark Liu. He doesn't run ads, he posts on Twitter. His personal brand is his marketing budget. And honestly, this is exactly the reason why I started YouTube. Not because I wanted to be a YouTuber so bad. Obviously I like it. Also because I realized in a world where AI can do everything I do, the only thing it can't do is be me. And now, when I launch something, people already trust me. When I reach out to a client, they've already watched my videos. And that's not luck, that's leverage. And don't get me wrong, you don't need to be on YouTube with your face. A personal brand can be Twitter, LinkedIn, a newsletter, a podcast. The format doesn't matter. You are building trust with people who might buy from you one day in the future. And when they are ready, you are the only option they consider. If you want to learn how to build like this, like apps, automation, SaaS products, that's exactly what I teach inside BuildLoop. And it's not just tutorials, it's the whole system. How to build, how to launch, how to get your first users using everything I showed you today. The link is in the description. But honestly, even if you never join BuildLoop, use these 5 tactics. Pick one and start today. Your first 100 users are out there. Now you know how to find them. If you're enjoying this video and learning anything from it, please make sure to like and subscribe. A lot of more content like this is in the pipeline.